Good evening. My name is Kevin Airstock, and I am the Greenwich Technology teacher. Welcome to our virtual Introduction to 9th Grade night. Tonight I'm going to give you a quick overview of all the courses I teach, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me via email or phone, and I'll do my best to answer them. The first course I want to talk to you about tonight is called Design and Drawing for Production, otherwise known as DDP. In DDP, students will utilize the design process and create solutions to problems that I give them. Students will then use state-of-the-art computer software to design and create a 3D model of their solution. From this 3D model, we are able to use various machines, whether it be a 3D printer, a laser cutter, or even a CNC machine, and create these solutions in real life. We can then evaluate and test these solutions and see how well the student did. In Greenwich, in order to graduate, a student must take at least 1 credit of art during their 4 years of high school. DDP counts as an art credit. DDP is a real fun, hands-on class. Students really enjoy working on both the computer and in the classroom. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me and I'll get back to you. The next course I want to go over is Computer Graphics and Multimedia Production. Just like DDP, this course also counts as an art credit. During the first half of the year, we will focus on the computer graphics part of it. Students will learn the principles and elements of design, and we'll use these to create all forms of graphics. Students will create logos, infographics, posters, app designs, and many other graphics during this course. Students will use Adobe products, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and Elements for video. During the second half of the course, students will study multimedia production. Multimedia production is audio podcast, video podcast, streaming. Students will learn how to create commercials and advertisements. Students will learn what equipment is necessary to do this. Microphones, lighting, cameras, software. Students will also learn production and post-production editing. Any student that's been in my room recently has seen the podcast room as well as my video production area. Complete with green screen and all professional production equipment. Any student that thinks this would be fun and interesting, this is the course for them. The next course I want to talk about is actually a new course. It's called STEM Applications. This course is for the kid who's ever asked, when do we get to do this, or when do we get to use this piece of equipment? This is the course for you. Students get to choose from a variety of topics. Too many to list right now, but you can look at the next slide and see some of the topics that we're going to cover. But this course is going to be a design your own course. Students are going to be able to pick anywhere from 4 to probably 6 different topics during the course of the year. Students will go through a variety of learning about this topic, and then they'll create a project that goes along with it, or multiple projects. So if you were in 8th grade and you really liked using the lathe, well, you can spend 3 or 4 weeks on the lathe and create multiple products on the lathe. If you want to study woodworking, if you want to study computer graphics, if you want to study robotics, any of these things are fair game. We have this lab, we have tons of equipment, some great machines that you get to use. So if you ever wanted to just play around in the tech room and create something that doesn't necessarily fall in my normal curriculum, then this is the course for you.